Extension actually implements several programs that deal with helping farmers and producers, landowners, deal with carbon emissions. Some of those are in the form of thinking about what are some alternative practices. Maybe we think about fertilizers. What are some opportunities that farmers can use more organic practices, use cover crops, no-till operations so that it limits the amount of soil disturbance, limits the amount of fertilizers that are needed. Science-based research is such an important part of extension programming because we as extension professionals are tasked with providing this science-based information to the public. If you think about the land-grant mission of a university, it deals with research, teaching, and extension. And our role as extension professionals is to take that science information that's generated within the universities and put it in a format where the general public can use it to improve their lives. What we've actually learned and what research actually shows us is those producers that are already using sustainable practices are much more likely to use more in the future if they're exposed to them. So through extension, we can give them those tools to help do that. If you have somebody that's actually doing the work in the field, they're much more believable by other farmers and producers than maybe somebody in academia. So if we in Extension can work with closely with farmers who we have a good relationship with, they're then influencers in the future to other farmers to really help spread those practices widely. I decided to make Extension my life's work because it's something that actually happened to me in college. I was in forestry school at the time, and my grandma was approached by someone to have her timber cut. Now, this person was not giving her science-based information, and he told her he was going to do a lot of things that he ended up not doing. So she actually got taken advantage of by this person, and I realized then and there that folks like my grandma needed help. They needed people to give them advice that they could trust, and so that was really part of the reason why I went into Extension.